Hey guys, so I'm gonna have to film this intro after the videos I already filmed. For some reason, the intro that I did film, it was corrupt or something. It's just not usable. So in this video, it's spring turkey season in Missouri. I go hunting. At the end of the video, I'll explain everything that happened. Definitely not the type of hunt that I really wanted. But go ahead and enjoy the video, and we'll talk at the end.
The morning breaks with the crimson hue. The woods come alive with the dawn's debut. Boots on the ground and I'm feeling alive. The thrill of the chase, it's where I thrive. It's hunting season, let's take the race through the hills and across the plains. No time to waste, the wild calls loud. It's freedom found away from the crowd.
We have a gobble off in the distance. I was walking to the back side of the property, so I'm gonna go over here, get sat down, call another time so he knows I changed locations. We're almost back to our spot. We're just gonna stop calling. We're gonna let him come here, because if you keep calling, they think that the hen is going to them. So, you gotta play the hard to get game. So, we're gonna sit back down to where we were. Hopefully he doesn't come up behind us, because that's where he was, but I'm expecting him to come out on this road and come down the hill. I had a hen yesterday come up behind me. Our decoys are set up here, so hopefully he'll come off of this road and come down here. You're f***ing kidding me. I cannot believe this. I would not have any luck at all if I didn't have bad luck. Oh my gosh. That turkey was 3 yards away from me. Well, worked the second time. I don't know if I got him though. It was just a little Jake. Pretty far away. Well guys, hunting's done today. I'm gonna pick up the decoys and head on in, but you know, a very unfortunate chain of events happened. I'm gonna reach out to Winchester. We're using the Winchester Longbeard XPs. I've never used them before. I thought it would be a good turkey load, but and you know it is. I'm sure. It was probably just a fluke thing. Again, if I didn't have bad luck, I wouldn't have any luck at all. That's just how things happen for me, and just chalk it up as a loss. So it's not going to be our last day hunting, and we're going to have plenty of more opportunities, hopefully. I don't know about this season, but from here, we're going to go ahead and reach out to Winchester and see what they have to say about their ammunition. So I'll keep you guys posted about that, and if they reach back out and if it's video worthy, I'll make a video about it. So we'll see you guys later. The rounds that I was using were Winchester Double X. I thought it was a Longbeard XP, but the lot number is C2WL16. So if you happen to have a lot number with that, or if you happen to have a box with that lot number, you might just be aware. It's rough to watch, you know. I've taken a minute to edit the video. I really just didn't even want to watch it for a while because I was just so upset about it. You know, I try so hard to get out into the woods and balance life with everything and make content for you guys to be able to watch, but it's really hard to balance all of those things and have a successful hunt. And just for some reason, whenever we started this this YouTube channel, we haven't really had any success doing anything, and it's just really strange. I don't know. I don't know exactly what it is, but either way, after the hunt, I contacted Winchester, and you know, Winchester makes a bunch of great products and everything, and you know, accidents happen or you get faulty products all the time. And Winchester didn't even have to do anything for me at that, but I contacted their customer care, customer support, and they answered back immediately, and they're more than happy to do the product testing for me, and they offered like a free hat or something. I could post the screenshot right here. And so that was good of them, but I mean, if they're gonna offer something, I mean, I don't want to be that guy, but I have time, money, and a bunch of other stuff tied into this hunt, and you know, you get a once in a lifetime chance, or once in a long time chance to kill a turkey. And the one time that I get that chance and I'm on a bird and that product fails me, it's aggravating. And so contacting Winchester, I just let them know all the variables and into hunting and stuff like that, and just let them know that we're new coming YouTube channel, and we're trying, you know. And so, and just letting them know that whenever I was using their product, it ruined my chance of getting a bird that day. So but they offered a hat, so I mean, like I said, they didn't have to offer anything at all, but it's just I guess the concept outweighs a hat, I think. That's my opinion. So I didn't respond back. I didn't get the hat. They wanted the shells back for testing. You can see in the video that the shell I used obviously didn't work. I loaded a different Remington round into it, and then it fired just fine. And then I fired another Winchester round, and it fired just fine. So I don't feel like it's the gun. The gun's practically brand new. I think it has less than a box of rounds through it, and it's never misfired. It's never had an issue. So I do believe it was the round, but it's not worth it to me, and it's just going to be a waste of everybody's time for that round to be tested, because, you know, usually on a light primer strike or a faulty primer, sometimes when it's hit again, it will go off. And so obviously the manufacturer is going to blame the gun, and then we're going to blame the manufacturer because we know the gun doesn't have a problem. So it's just going to be a waste of time. So we'll just we'll chalk this up as a loss, and you know, it's a video for you guys, and we're gonna try our best to do what we can this year and get you guys some content. Gonna try some new fishing places, try and get the kayak out on the water. I have the boat, I need to get that fixed, and so hopefully we could get the boat fixed and get it out on the water this season. I know Jesse has some things planned, so let's just stick around and Pay attention to our uploads. They might not be frequent, but what we do upload, it's usually something worth watching. So you guys take care, and I'll catch you next time.
The trees, they whisper secrets untold.